Hi guys, this is Madhurita. As you can see, I'm on the road and I'm in the car and I'm crossing the Mumbai Worli sea link and the seat next to me abhi khali hai. But it won't be that way for too long because I'm going to get someone very sexy, very cool and very hot. And believe me, you guys will be very envious of my company. Okay guys, the seat next to me is just going to be occupied. The gorgeous Arjun Rampal is right here in just a few seconds.
Yeah, sure. Hello.
Hi Arjun.
How are you?
It's good to see you.
Good to see you. Are these my questions?
No, you don't get to see your questions. Arjun, welcome to our show.
Thank
Our
you,
show is called
Madhurita.
Hangout, and first time we have moved into a car to shoot. So how do you feel?
It's cool. I love cars, and you have a nice car.
Yeah. So what do you usually do in your car? What's the first thing you do in your car when you get in?
I get into the driver's seat actually.
You drive?
Yes, I drive. I love to drive.
And your driver sits
then
behind.
I put on my iPod. I connect it to my music.
Yeah.
And then there's a lot of music in my car. And,
What is the kind of music you like listening to?
I listen to all kinds. I listen to, especially when I'm driving, I listen to a lot of Jack Johnson, Coldplay, sometimes some Deep House. And,
Wow.
and nowadays it's been Roy's soundtrack.
Tell us about your driving memories when you were much younger. You know, like boys, they love to impress girls with their fast cars and their cool cars. Have you ever done that?
I didn't have a car when I was a kid.
So what mode of transport did you use to take the women out? Scooters are cute.
I used to ride a scooter, and it's nicer.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's more intimate.
Scooter. That's interesting. I wonder how you get intimate on a scooter. That's very interesting.
You use the brake a lot. So they keep falling on you.
Have you like gone on dates on a scooter and all that back in college?
Yeah, on bikes. In college, I didn't have a bike or a scooter. In college, I used to borrow my friends' bikes, and I think I used it more than they did.
Have you ever gotten naughty in the back seat?
Like when I was a kid?
Yeah, of course, when you were a kid. Like in Bombay, like most of these couples, they don't have places to go.
Are you getting ideas or something?
Come on,
I'm joking, Madhurita. Okay, I think we were very naughty as children.
Today you're a star, you're a recognizable face. How do you react when you see like fans, banging your windows? Do you talk to them? Do you roll the window down? Do you ever step out?
Yeah, I don't step out, but I do roll my window down sometimes.
Yeah, you interact with them.
And shake their hands or whatever. It's better when you are an actor, that people are banging on your windows or waving to you and looking at you, because that's what you work towards.
Exactly.
It would be very sad if nobody did that.
You recognize you, that would be a problem.
So I'm grateful.
Yeah.
I'm very, very fortunate that people, give you that kind of love.
I've been to your place and your place has a stunning view of the sea. But do you ever get a chance to go down to the bandstand from Menard and walk around there?
I do in the mornings, early mornings,
What time would that be?
at about 6.
Okay, I got it.
5:36 or whatever. I could go cycling. You could find me cycling somewhere around here.
Do that?
Yeah. Coming down Mount Mary stairs on my mountain bike.
Do you go to Mount Mary at all?
For falling on my head. I find everything.
Do you go to Mount Mary at all?
I have been to Mount Mary a lot. I do believe in Mount Mary. Yes.
Okay. Tell me that memory when you were driving down in a car and you saw your first movie poster you're holding of you.
Yeah.
How do you react? Does
It
that
was
kind of
for
slow you
Pyare
down?
Ishwar Mohabbat.
Yeah, tell me about that moment.
Actually, I got a call.
Okay.
Rajiv Rai called me.
Yeah.
And Shabir called me and they said, Ki, Arjun, the hoardings are up, go and check.
Wow.
It was at Juhu. So Mayor and me and Maika was like a little baby at that time. Okay, I remember we drove down there and we took pictures.
Wow.
Okay.
That's so
Next to
sweet.
it, I stood there.
But that's quite a moment, right?
Yeah, I stood
Remember?
there and I said, okay, my movie's here. And so it was quite amazing.
If you were to be a director, Arjun, is there any one person you would like to direct?
I would love to direct a Ranbir.
Wow.
It would be very wishful thinking, but if I was ever a director, I would love to direct Mr. Bachchan.
Wow.
Irfan. I think he's also a fantastic actor.
Talk about good looks, Arjun. But the kind of looks you have, you could probably grab any movie in Hollywood. Have you ever thought of that? Have you gone that way?
No, never. It's not.
Why?
I don't even feel like.
Really?
Yeah, I don't
But I
feel.
can totally see you fit in.
No, that's what people say. It's not like that. It's completely different. My accent is completely different. Our mindsets are different. I mean, but finally you act in a film.
Right.
You will have to prepare for whatever part that you do. But to go there and to pursue a career in Hollywood and all, I think I've gone. If I was maybe 20 years old, I might have tried, but not now.
Tell me, Arjun, about which is that one moment in your career you thought, okay, career is really taking a sharp turn?
I think Rock On.
Yeah,
Definitely.
absolutely.
Rajneeti.
Yeah.
These two were really solid characters and they came pretty much close to each other.
Right.
So that was a time where, it really gave me a lot of confidence to go and do different kinds of work and to choose different kinds of, and to play characters.
When the script of Roy came to you, what was the first reaction? It's the first time directed to, right, Vikramjit?
Sure.
Yeah.
So Vicky came to me with this script. It came to me 3.5 years ago.
Wow.
Or
Okay.
4 years ago.
Okay.
I think Rajneeti, right after Rajneeti. That's 4 years.
Yeah.
So he watched that and he gave me this idea about Roy. And it was about two filmmakers, reaching the same location. One being me, who's Kabir, who has got this franchise going on. And he's got a lot of money, but he doesn't have a script. And he's at a writer's block.
Right.
And there's Aisha, who does the prolific festival movies. And these two meet, and when he meets her, he kind of starts getting inspired again to write.
Right.
And that's when Roy appears in their lives. And when Roy appears in their lives, he creates a complete chaos in their scenario. So it was very interesting.
Have you ever suddenly stopped somewhere and eaten something?
All the time.
You do that?
Yeah.
Without security?
No, my driver goes in with.
You want to step out there?
Why?
Just for a moment. Just up till there, we'll walk and come back.
Come.
Just walk and come back.
So now we are out.
Yeah.
Can get some fresh air on Burley Sea Face.
Yes.
This
Something that Arjun very rarely does.
very rarely.
Thank you. So, here you go.
Not bad.
Watching the sunset on Worli Sea Face. You thought you'll be doing
Only
this
you've got me
for
out
a
here,
Roy
Margarita.
interview?
Not bad at all. Actually, my friend used to stay on Worli Sea Face. Used to run a lot here.
Yeah.
And I just moved to Bombay. Yeah, and my first house was here on Pochkanwala Road.
Yeah? Pochkanwala Road?
Yeah.
Wow. That's like a street tucked away, right?
I was a paying guest.
I'm going to ask you some very quick questions and have a very annoying horn over here.
I know, I was wondering what. Oh,
I'm
God.
going to ask you like fun quiz questions.
Okay.
When you get an answer wrong, I'm supposed to blow that, not you.
Okay.
Or you can blow yourself.
Okay, I'm going to blow this.
Alright, okay. Very quick questions. How many films have you done so far in Bollywood?
Answer there. Come on, get up. This is my answering machine. Arey, khada ho na. Ek second. Hello. And here we go. That's my answering machine.
He's your caller friend. He's on your backstage. So how many films have you done?
Oh God, how many have I done?
36.
30. I was going to say 35.
Okay, so you're kind of close. Alright.
So what? When I get it wrong, I have to press this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. So who was the music director of Dil Hai Tumhara?
Nadeem Shravan.
Super.
Oh,
It's only when you get it wrong.
that's true if I get it right.
Which year did Dil Ka Rishta release?
In 2002.
3.
Did it?
Yeah.
No, it was 2. It was the year my daughter was born.
3.
3, yes, she was 1 year old. Yes, it was on her 1 year old.
3 bopus for this now.
It actually released on her birthday.
Oh, really?
First birthday, yeah.
Wow. Ek Ajnabi Asambhav Moksh. Arrange these in order of the release.
Moksh, Asambhav, Ek Ajnabi.
Correct. Which is the first designer you walked the ramp for?
Rohit Bhatt.
Your first gift to Meher.
My first gift to her was I chased her car with a bunch of.
You chased her car with a bunch of balloons?
Yes.
And what was the reaction? What was her reaction?
She drove off. Yeah.
Have you ever been pulled up by a cop? And for what?
Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah, for what?
Many times.
Broke the signal.
Like sometimes on the phone, sometimes, for tinted windows. So now they're all gone. Okay, I've got hands-free
Yes.
and
You're all
before you'll
set.
put me into more controversy. Okay.
Have you got into a verbal or physical fight in your younger days? Were you ever angry, like very hot-headed kind? You were?
Always in scraps.
Oh, really?
Always.
Yeah?
I've got my head busted, nose
Wow.
busted, teeth busted. Yeah.
So what keeps you grounded? What keeps you on the road?
Your own self and your own truth, and you
Yeah.
being comfortable with who you are. you know, because then that is real.
So I really hope your film like speeds all the way to the box office and is a super success and does really well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arjun. It was a pleasure.
Always a pleasure.